What's going on, guys? Patrick here, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be attempting to clean the seats in my car. They're cloth seats and they've gotten a little dingy over the years, and I'm just looking to spruce it up. So here we go. So I drive a Kia Rio, a 2012. It is already paid off in full. Now I'm in the point where I'm doing maintenance on it. I did a video reviewing the Meguiar's air refresher, which it's been about a week and it's been amazing. It still works just fine. So I'm going to be going and getting the wifey one for her car. But now, next thing I want to tackle here is the cloth seats. The cloth seats, it's not that the things have stained it. It's anything that with any type of moisture, whether it's a water bottle with condensation on it, to-go boxes that might have steam in it, stuff like that. It feels like anything that has any type of moisture in it would eventually put some sort of stain on these seats. Now, I haven't tried anything ever to try to clean these seats. So I went down to AutoZone and I picked up some cloth spray, and I'm just gonna see how it works. All right, as you can see, these stains right here is the ones I'm talking about. So it's been quite some time. I've never attempted to clean these off, so I want to go ahead and do so. I'd probably say the front passenger seat is the worst. Well, I just kind of use my front passenger seat as like a catch-all for my gym bag and everything else when I don't have travelers with me, passengers with me. So, I mean, it does look pretty dingy. This is what we're using here. I picked up Turtle Wax Easy Clean Interior 1 multi-purpose cleaner. It says oxy-powered, so I don't know if they're working together with OxyClean or whatnot. This is what I'm going to be using to attempt to clean these, so let's get to it. All right, guys, that's it for today. I went ahead and hand scrubbed the passenger seat and the full back bench. Didn't do any of the back of the seats or the driver's seat. I am gonna say that for the next day. But what I'm gonna do now is that the seats look a little darker in color just because they were wet from the cleaner. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a day, and then I'm gonna show you guys the results on what it looks like and give you some before and afters. So for today we're done, and then to be continued tomorrow. All right, guys, it has been a few days for them to dry 100% so that we can check out the results. So let's go ahead and check it out now. As you can see, the seats aren't back to brand spanking new, but there is a vast majority difference from what it was before, considering that I've never cleaned these seats before. I think for one pass, I think it did pretty good. Maybe if I got another can and did it a second time, it could potentially make it a little bit better, but I'm pretty sure that if I really wanted to get these back to the way it was, like brand new from the factory, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need to get some sort of mechanical scrub and then probably a hot water extractor to really get out the grim and grime out of there. But for just a can of spray cleaner and my hand, I think it turned out pretty well. So, but yeah, let me show you here. This is what I'm talking about. That's how easily these seats were. I just put a to-go bag of McDonald's for my kids in my seat, and let me see if you can see it right here. See that little stain right there? That was not there before, and now it is there. So that, I mean, I don't know if it was from the grease from the bag or whatnot, but that's just how easy it is for these seats to get stained. So, but yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it for this. Whoa, there we go, much better now that I turned it off, turn it back on. So that's going to be pretty much it for this video. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help with the video. And if you guys have any other techniques that you guys use or other tools that you guys use to clean interiors, let me know in the comments below. And that's pretty much it. Thanks again for watching this video. We'll talk soon.